But jumping straight into the first step that you need to be aware of, which is creating your eBay account. Now, one important thing that you need to know is that if you've already got an eBay account that you've been using to buy things from for the past few years, for the past few months, maybe even for the past few weeks, this is going to be a better option when it comes to using that particular account rather than you creating a brand new eBay account from scratch. And the main reason for this is that it's going to be less likely that eBay is going to restrict your account, because one thing that I've found when it comes to creating a brand new eBay account is that if you're planning to dropship straight away, it might trigger eBay systems, and of course you may end up getting your account restricted. Now, when it comes to eBay dropshipping, you're allowed to do it. It's not like it's against their policies or anything like that. You should read up on exactly how to do it in the way that they want you to do it. But the reason why I'm saying that you need to be cautious of getting your account restricted is because it's a known fact that sometimes eBay restricts accounts for no reason. So just make sure that you remember that if you've already got an eBay account, it's going to be much better. But if you don't have an eBay account already, it's no problem. All you need to do is just jump onto eBay just like this. Now, ideally, you want to make sure that you're signing up for an eBay account in the country that you're living in or the country that you have identification for. So in my case, I would sign up to ebay.co.uk because I'm from the UK. But if you're from America, you're going to go over to ebay.com, and whatever country you're living in, whatever country your identification is based, just make sure that you go over to the correct eBay domain. Then what you need to do is just simply click on register. Then you're going to be given these two different options to either create a personal account or business account. Now, I would recommend that if you're a complete beginner, you should sign up to a personal account. And the reason for this is that it's a lot easier when it comes to getting your account activated. If you was to register for a business account, they may ask you for proof that you've got a business, and it makes the process a little bit complicated. But bear in mind that you are able to switch from a personal account to a business account once you've got your account activated. So just follow through with the process, insert your name, last name, email address, password, make sure that you put accurate information, and then click on create personal account. But this now brings me on to what goes into finding the best product to sell. Now, this is where so many beginners end up getting confused because they're not really sure of exactly where they can dropship products from and which items are the best one to sell. Now, from my own personal experience of building eBay businesses, I've found that it's always good to make sure that you're listing products that people are actively searching for, and there's proven data to see that customers are actively spending money on those particular items. And this is because every single eBay seller has a certain selling limit, and you don't want to list useless products that no one cares about, no one's searching for, because of course you're going to limit the amount of results and the amount of money that you can make. So that's why I normally recommend people to sign up to some sort of product research software that's going to give them exact numbers so that they're going to be able to make the best decision possible. And one of the best eBay product research tools out there is Zik Analytics. I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it when it comes to finding a winning dropshipping product, and exactly how you can use it when it comes to knowing exactly where to dropship the products from. But all you got to do to sign up to Zik Analytics is click the link in my description down below, and you're going to be able to sign up for a 7-day trial. I would recommend that you go with the Pro Plus account or the Enterprise account, because what I'm going to show you in today's video, you are going to need the features of the Enterprise account for you to be able to find winning products within a few seconds. Because as you can see, I've just logged into my Zik Analytics account and it's already showing me a lot of useful information. Over here, it's showing me the trending eBay products in the last 7 days. It's showing me the trending dropshippers in the last 30 days, as well as the trending eBay niches. But the specific tool that I want to show you that I've not shown on this channel so far is this one over here called Autopilot. So this tool is useful when it comes to easily identifying a winning eBay dropshipping product that you're going to be able to list straight away. Because if I just click on start new scan, all you're going to need to do is select the supplier that you want to dropship from. In this case, I'm going to leave it on Amazon.com, and you've got all these other filters that you're going to be able to set. Now, I'm just going to leave it as it is just so that I can show you how it works, and I'm going to click on create scan, and I've already done it over here, and it's come back with 200 different products that match my criteria. So what I'm going to do is just click on this, and the reason why I recommend using this autopilot feature is because it's going to be able to show you instantly products that are being sold on eBay and the price that they're being sold for, and how much it's available to buy from Amazon. So to show you exactly what I'm talking about, there's this table over here where the eBay sellers selling it for around $44.99. However, on Amazon it's available for $22.99, which means that the amount of profit that this eBay seller is making, if they are using this Amazon seller, is $16.30 every single time that they make a sell. And we can also see that they've been able to sell over 119 units on eBay. And the good thing about Zik Analytics as well is that you're going to be able to click directly into the product listing. So if I just click on this one, it's going to take me directly to the eBay listing, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. But if I just go back over to the autopilot feature on Zik Analytics and click click on this one, it's going to take me directly to the Amazon listing. And of course, as we already knew, it's currently available to buy for $22.99. So just like that, within maybe 5 minutes of me making this video, I've already got an idea of a product that I'm going to be able to list on my store and potentially start generating sales. But for me to know exactly if people are searching for this product and this seller on eBay isn't lucky, what I'm going to do is just come over here to the product research tab and then type in folding table and then click on search. And literally right here, as you can see, customers are going onto eBay searching for folding tables, and in the last 30 days alone, on the first 2 pages of eBay, they spent $30,000. So this is the amount of money that every single eBay seller has made on the first 2 pages in total. And I can also see that the successful listing percentage is 60%. And what this is showing me is that there's a high chance that if I listed this on my eBay store using the right strategies, making sure that I create the best listing possible, there's a 60% chance that I'm going to be able to generate sales. So now that you know exactly what goes into finding a good product to sell, and you know exactly how to find a suitable supplier for that product, the next thing that I want to show you is what goes into listing the product on your store. Now there's 2 main ways that you can list a product on eBay when it comes to doing eBay dropshipping. You can either use the manual method or you can use the automated method. Now the manual method consists of you logging into your eBay account just like this. From there, you're going to click on sell at the top, and this is the page that you're going to see. So you're going to essentially list the product manually by copy and pasting all the information from the place that you're going to be dropshipping from. Now in this video, I'm going to be using Amazon as an example to show you exactly how you can list a product on eBay. So it's going to be down to you if you do want to use Amazon or not. This is one of the main suppliers that people use when it comes to doing eBay dropshipping. So this is the listing that I'm going to be using. Now if I wanted to list it manually on my eBay store, I'm going to have to copy the title, I'm going to have to copy all of this information, I'm going to have to download all of these different images, and then I'm going to have to make sure that I insert all of the correct information and images into the correct fields. So this section over here, this is for the title, this is for the item specifications, this is for the description. So it's essentially going to be a copy and paste job to make sure that I've moved over all of the correct information. Now doing the manual method isn't necessarily bad because all you're simply doing is just copy and pasting. However, the negatives of doing it manually is that it can take some time, especially if you're listing 50 products, 100 products as you start to grow your eBay business. And another negative is that you're going to have to remember each and every single listing that you've used for all of your different products. And whenever you make a sale, you're going to have to go over to each listing, buy it from here, and make sure that you're buying the correct item. And this is why I normally recommend to use something like AutoDS, because it's going to take off all of the hard work for you. It's going to be able to automatically list products, and whenever you make a sale, you're going to be able to use it so that they're going to be able to automatically fulfill the orders. And the good thing about using AutoDS is that you're going to be able to sign up for a 30-day trial. So just click the link in my description and create your account. And once you've created your account, this is the next page that you're going to see. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is connect your eBay account to your AutoDS account. The way that you can do that is just come over to settings. Then what you're going to do is come over here to where it says store settings. Just click on it just like that. Then you're going to click on add store, then eBay store, click on continue. From there, you're just going to need to select the country that your eBay account is registered in, then click on finish. And then once you've connected everything, you're then going to have the option to start uploading products. You're going to either be able to upload a single product, or if you wanted to upload a bunch of products or multiple products at one time, you've also got that option too. So I'm going to show you exactly what steps I will take if I wanted to list this product on my eBay store. So I've got the option to either use the Google Chrome extension tool to easily do it, but if I wanted to do it from within my account, I'm just going to click on single product. Then I'm just going to paste the URL for the product over here. So if I just go back over to Amazon, copy it just like this, paste it in there just like that. Then I'm going to click on edit now. And as you can see, AutoDS has automatically pulled all of the information from the product listing page, e.g. the title, the category, the tags, the description as well. I didn't need to write any of this, the variants, as well as the images. Everything has been taken from the Amazon product page, and all I need to do is just go through, make any changes that I want to make to the title, to any of the images that's been used as well. And if I am happy with everything, I've double checked things, I've made all of my adjustments, I'm then going to be able to click on import. And once I've clicked on import, it should then be directly uploaded and listed on my eBay account. Okay, perfect. So as you guys can see, within 1 minute or so, it was able to list the product on my eBay account. This is a brand new eBay account that I'm using for the purpose of showing you exactly how all of this stuff works. But right there, customers are going to be able to buy it, and I'm going to be able to repeat the same process over and over again for as many products that I'm going to be able to list in terms of my eBay selling limit. So don't forget that if you did want to sign up to AutoDS as well so that you can speed up the process when it comes to getting your eBay products listed, use the trial link in my description down below. And bear in mind that everything that I've shown you so far is just an example, just to show you exactly how all of this stuff works. There's a lot more that goes into the eBay selling process. So if you did want me to make a more detailed video on this topic, then put in the comments down below, do the eBay dropshipping video, and I'll get onto it ASAP. But this now brings me on to one of the final things that you need to know, which is understanding what goes into growing and scaling your eBay sales. Now there's so much that goes into this. For example, understanding eBay SEO, knowing exactly how to increase your eBay selling limit, and just generally everything that goes into increasing your profit margins every single time that you make a sale. There's a certain eBay formula that you need to be aware of, and if you wanted to know my exact formula of exactly what I had to know when it came to making my first $100,000 in profit, you're going to be able to find out that information by going over to www.projectebay.com. Over there I've put all of my years of experience when it comes to selling on eBay, all of the things that I wish someone sat me down and told me from day one, because it would have sped up my progress. So if you did want a full understanding of exactly what goes into building an eBay business from the comfort of your own home, you're going to be able to get that information by visiting the website that's on the screen, or you're going to be able to click the first link in the description down below. But if you also wanted to watch a recent YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I go through some of the hacks that's definitely going to help you out when it comes to increasing your revenue, you're going to be able to watch that video by clicking the link over there. Watch that straight after this because it's already helped out thousands of people. I've gotten a lot of good feedback from that video, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.